International. Hi guys, your girl's here at Vineland Premium Outlets. Just about to go into the Disney Character Warehouse store and see what they have. So let's go. Original Concept Series, $26. $20 for the mugs. Haunted Mansion backpacks going for $21. And they still have, oh, they got the Marvel backpacks, $46. This bag, it's a huge bag. Let's see. $125. It doesn't come with anything. It's empty. We got the rainbow bag here. This one's going for $15. And they still have these backpacks here for $21. Okay, we got the hammer, $16. And then there's this small bag, it's a lounge fly. Let's see how it opens up. Alright, so I found the bag. Finally got it open. It's lounge fly. It says Mickey on the inside. And this bag is going for $36. But it's lounge fly. Oh, happy place. Why is Mickey blue? He's blue on this one. Gummy. All right, these platters here, $13. And then there's a set of boob plates. Let me see. The plates are $15, and it looks like each one is different. I flip it upside down. Open this up. Can you see it? There you go. I'm not exactly sure if you would use this for getting wood or newspapers or magazines. Maybe magazines. $13. All right, this stuff is new. Avatar accessories. And then what ifs. I have no idea what those are. And I'm not sure how much Loki is. Don't know. You got a Dio here. Let me see. Remote control droid. $89. He's not cheap. Look at this adorable shirt, $36. I'd get that for Boo. Alright, this one's $20. That one's $15. And now you have a really lightweight windbreaker here for $26. You ain't never had a friend like me. Yeah, these are all new here. Not new, new. And we have, oh, new. Yep. That's 16. much new at the warehouse, so I just showed you a few things that I did see that was new. I'll try again next week. And if I haven't told you lately, thank you for being here, and I love you all.